जनरेशन ऑफ अल्टरनेटिंग ईएमएफ। जब कोई भी कोयल किसी भी यूनिफॉर्म मैग्नेटिक फील्ड में रोटेट करती है तो उसमें फ्लक्स इंड्यूस होता है और उसी के साथ साथ उसमें फ्लक्स लीकेज होता है। लीकेज फ्लक्स ईएमएफ कहलाता है, जैसे कि इस फिगर में दिखाया गया है। लेट द टाइम बी मेजर्ड फ्रॉम द इंस्टेंट ऑफ कोइंसिडेंस of the plane of the coil with the x-axis. At this instant, maximum flux phi max links with the coil. Let the coil assume the position as shown in figure. After the moving in counterclockwise direction for time t second, the angle theta through which the coil has rotated in t second, that is equal to omega t. Omega is the angular momentum of the coil and t is the time taken when the coil is rotating. In this position, the component of the flux along perpendicular to the plane of the coil, it will be equal to phi max cos omega t. Phi max is the maximum induced EMF and cos omega t is the cosine angle. Hence flux leakages of the coil of the instant is equal to number of turns of the coil and linking flux, that is instantaneous flux linking flux is equal to n phi max cos omega t. Since the induced EMF in the coil is equal to the rate of change of flux leakages with minus sign. According to Faraday law of electromagnetic induction principle, EMF induced of any instant, it will be equal to E is equal to minus n d phi by dt. Phi is the maximum flux, it will be phi max cos omega t. So E is equal to minus d upon dt into n phi max cos omega t is equal to phi max n omega sin omega t. This is important equation of induced EMF. When omega t is equal to 0, sin omega t is equal to 0, therefore induced EMF is 0. When the omega not is equal to 0, then sin omega t is equal to 0, then induced EMF is 0. When omega t is pi by 2, so sin pi by 2 is equal to 1, then the induced EMF is the maximum, and which is denoted by E max is equal to phi max n omega. Substituting this value phi max n omega E max in equation 1, so induced EMF E is equal to E max sin omega. Let take the total impedance of the coil is Z, then the current induced in the coil I is equal to E upon Z. So equal to E max upon Z sin omega t. Then E max upon Z is the maximum current, so I is equal to I max sin omega t. Similarly for voltage, V is equal to V max sin.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.